Welcome back. Well, earlier this year, Norton Healthcare made a major announcement. The healthcare group will build a brand new hospital in West Louisville for the first time in more than 150 years. Norton is partnering up with Goodwill Industries to transform 28th and Broadway into what they're calling an opportunity campus. But to bring the project to life, they need and they want your help. So we have Ms. Renee Murphy from Norton Healthcare here with us in studio today with more on what you can do to have a say in this project. Renee, thanks for taking time with us.
Well, this is such an exciting time, Shay. I mean, think about it. The first hospital to be built in West Louisville in more than 150 years. So we want the community to be a part of this. So this isn't just Norton Healthcare deciding exactly what it should look like and what should be in this facility, but this is really for the community. So we want to hear feedback from the community. So we've launched now a community survey that is available, and you can provide your input. Let us know about your healthcare journey, what you've experienced in healthcare, and really what you'd like to see at 28th and Broadway. We want this to really reflect the community. We've had an opportunity to get some feedback initially, which has led us to this point. We have a community health needs assessment. And so from that, we learned that people wanted access to care. There were transportation barriers, lack of access for primary care. So this is one thing that we can do to help respond to the needs of the community.
Why is it so important to hear from the people who are living there? I mean, to really cater it to this specific part of town?
Because it really is a community facility, and this really is about the spirit of collaboration. So we definitely want to make sure that the voices of our community are heard as we build this, and we build this together, and that they're along the journey with us. So we have a website, westlouisvillehospital.org, and on that website it has kind of updates and all of the information. We want to be transparent in this whole process. We don't have it all figured out yet. That's why we need the community. We need to hear from them. We want to hear from them, and we really definitely want to make sure we have their feedback captured.
And the way you're doing this is this survey. It's now up. What are the ways that people can access the survey? Where can they find it?
So the survey is available right now. We're very excited about it. It just takes a few moments to complete. It is available in English, in Spanish, and in Swahili. You can go to westlouisvillehospital.org and complete the survey there. You can also just go to nortonhealthcare.com. We have a box right at the top that says West Louisville Hospital. There's a link to the survey there. And also, if you would like to request paper copies, if you have an organization and you know that your members will be more apt to fill out a paper survey, you can send us an email at westlouisvillehospital@nortonhealthcare.org. We'll make sure we get the surveys to you. We'll collect them. We want to make sure that we can capture input from the community. And we'll be doing outreach throughout the summer. I was out at 3 events this weekend, and we'll continue to be at events throughout the summer months to make sure we're connecting with the community. We'll be having community forums and various community meetings, so stay tuned. We'll have more information about that.
Thank you so much
for
taking time with us, and good to have you back at WHAS, even if for just 3 minutes.
Well, glad to be back and glad to share this information, and we hope the community takes part in the survey.
Thank you so much, Renee.
Sure.